Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the SEC error OCSP feature response on your Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So there's going to be two different potential solutions we're going to go over in today's tutorial. And the first one would be to go make sure your date and time settings are right in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. And if they're not, you want to go right click on them and select adjust date and time. Make sure time zone is correct. And you want to maybe make sure set time automatically and time zone automatically are both turned on. And select the sync now option to sync up the time. Close out of here and see if that has now resolved the problem. If not, I would suggest updating the Firefox browser. So in order to do that, select the menu icon, just left click on it one time, select help, and then select about Firefox. Let it go ahead and install this update right now. And then select restart to update Firefox. And it should launch the Firefox browser. And hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.